She was still holding the envelope when I walked in. She did not see me. Inside, the results of my latest experiment with AI tools were written down. Today, we're diving into the world of AI making money online. I tested 3 AI tools and only one delivered. So let's get started. 0-30, why this matters. Why does this matter? Because choosing the right AI tool can make or break your online income strategy. Most people think all AI tools are created equal, but actually, there's a significant difference in performance. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to pick the best one for your needs. 130 prerequisites. Before we dive in, here's what you'll need: basic computer skills, an internet connection, and a willingness to learn. No prior experience with AI is required. We'll walk you through everything step by step. 2 o'clock step by step. Let's start with the first AI tool, Tool A. This tool promises to automate your content creation process. We'll begin by setting up an account. It's straightforward. Just enter your email and create a password. Once logged in, you'll see the dashboard. Now, let's create our first piece of content. Click on New Project and select the type of content you want to generate. For this example, we'll go with a blog post. Enter your topic and any keywords you want to include. Then, hit Generate. While we wait, let's talk about the features of Tool A. It offers a wide range of templates and customization options. You can adjust the tone, style, and length of the generated content. However, after testing several projects, we noticed some inconsistencies in the output quality. Sometimes the content was spot on, but other times it missed the mark. Here are the results. As you can see, the content generated by Tool A is decent, but not outstanding. It lacks depth and originality. While it can save you some time, it may not be the best choice if you're looking for high-quality content. Moving on to Tool B. This tool focuses on data analysis and insights. Setting up an account is similar to Tool A. Once logged in, you'll see the main dashboard. To start using Tool B, select the dataset you want to analyze. You can upload your own data or use one of the pre-built datasets. Then, choose the type of analysis you want to perform. Tool B offers various options, such as trend analysis, predictive modeling, and anomaly detection. After selecting your preferences, hit Run Analysis. While we wait, let's discuss the features of Tool B. It provides detailed reports and visualizations to help you understand your data better. You can customize the parameters and filters to get more specific insights. However, after analyzing several datasets, we found that the tool can be quite complex and may require some technical knowledge to use effectively. Here are the results. The data analysis performed by Tool B is accurate and informative. It provides valuable insights that can help you make better decisions. However, the learning curve is steep and it may not be suitable for beginners. Finally, let's look at Tool C. This tool specializes in customer service automation. Setting up an account is simple. Once logged in, you'll see the main dashboard. To start using Tool C, select the type of automation you want to set up. You can choose from options like chatbots, email automation, and social media management. Then, configure the settings according to your needs. Tool C offers a user-friendly interface and easy-to-use templates. After configuring the settings, hit Start Automation. While we wait, let's talk about the features of Tool C. It provides seamless integration with various platforms and tools. You can customize the automation workflows to fit your specific requirements. Additionally, it offers excellent customer support and resources to help you get started. After testing several automation scenarios, we found that Tool C consistently delivers reliable and efficient results. Here are the results. The automation performed by Tool C is outstanding. It saves you a significant amount of time and effort while ensuring smooth operations. It's the clear winner among the 3 tools we tested. 8 o'clock pro tips. Now, let's share some pro tips. First, always test the AI tool before committing to it. Try out different features and scenarios to see how well it performs. Second, don't rely solely on AI tools. Use them as a supplement to your skills and expertise. Finally, stay updated with the latest developments in AI technology. New tools and improvements are constantly emerging, so keep learning and adapt. 9 o'clock results and next steps. In conclusion, after testing 3 AI tools, we found that Tool C is the best option for most users. It delivers reliable and efficient results, saving you time and effort. If you're enjoying this, hit subscribe. We post stories like this every day, and you don't want to miss the next one. Tomorrow, the sister's revenge 3 months later. Do not miss it. Was Tool C the right choice for you? Yes or no? Comment your verdict.